They should be placed in a dry and cool location, and they shouldn't receive any direct sunlight. Ensure that they're mounted in such a way as to satisfy the requirements for both sideways and up and down clearance to any walls or other equipment. This is to ensure a good airflow and to make sure that the devices stay cool throughout operation, prolonging their life expectancy and making sure that the devices don't go into derating unnecessarily because of overheating. Ensure that the room you have selected for mounting your Any-Grids is relatively dust-free to avoid the filters clogging up and again to prolong the life of the Any-Grid product. Also, please note the Any-Grid series has forced cooling. This means there are fans on the inside to cool the devices down. This naturally causes noise, so it is not recommended to mount the Any-Grid anywhere near a bedroom or in living room quarters. For safety, also make sure that the Any-Grid is locked in a room so that children and other unauthorized people do not have access.